Today I'm going to show you how to use the Mustang swage repair kit. I've got a melted hose here, which is melted on the exhaust of the machine, so you've got to be careful when you're using this machine that the hose doesn't hang down there and melt on the exhaust. It's probably happened to one of you guys from time to time. So I'm going to do a hose repair. Just bought the Mustang swage repair kit from the Jetter's Edge or any Mustang dealer, and I don't have any 1/4-inch swage fittings. I better ring the Jetter's Edge and order some. Just give me a sec.
Good morning, Jetter's Edge. This is Danielle. Hi, good. How are you? That's good. Yeah, of course. I think I got you in the system here. Yep, there you are. How many of those did you want? Easy. I'll pack them up today and send them in express post. You should get them tomorrow or the next day. All good. Thank you. Bye.
They've just arrived. Thanks for that. That was very fast service. Get one of those out. What are we going to do here? So I've got the cutters. I want to cut this where the blow is. Where is it? There it is. Cut it nice, clean and square there. Usually cut that as well, so I don't need that. Alright, I need the right size spanners for this, 22 and 11/16. See if we can get this undone. And we're going to do this. See if we can do it right this time. Just put this cover back on so I don't drop all my stuff down the drain. Okay, so very important is when you're putting the swage fitting on, if you come in I'll show you this. So you put the swage, so the swage fitting is going to end up say about there, so you push it all the way in, get a texter and it's all the way in, and just give it a mark at the end there. Okay, so when we're actually using the swaging tool, and once the swage is finished, we can make sure that that's still there in there and it's not actually like out here or something. So that's a very important step. Alright, so that's going to be reused. Now I need to change the dies in this kit because when I get it, if you have a look what dies are in there, the 316 dies. So I need to move those out. Oh. And take these guys out. They're really in there. So I've got, here's this bar. Just give it a little tap. Out they come. Quarter-inch dies. Quarter-inch dies go in. So that's that one goes in. That one goes in. Make sure they're in tight. So you have a pusher as well. This pusher actually does 1/4 and 316, so I can leave that in for now. There's also in the swaging tool, in the lid, in here you'll find an Allen key. That Allen key, you want to make sure that one there is not super tight because that needs to turn, so it should be in, that should be able to turn. Okay, that's it. So spin that up, put it on the side, hose goes through, swage fitting goes on, push it all the way home, Get that up into there. Start winding that down. Pushing the hose up from the bottom. Make sure that swage fits into there. Yep. That's going to start pushing it home. Now this is where that arm comes in handy. That should be turned like so. And then we start winding in now. So that's where this bar comes into it. You can stand on that, push the hose, and wind that. Till it's all the way home. Just a little bit more to go. Okay, we're home, so you can come out, remove these out. Okay, and these guys come out. There we have it. So we end up hoses swaged. Now, you got some Loctite, you can use that, or if you don't, most plumbers have got a bit of thread tape. Like this. Check the O-ring in there, that still looks good. I'm going to do this quick release back up now. Just got some thread tape on it. Tight. I want to put this 316. The sizes of the dies are stamped on them, so the quarters can go back in there. 316. Can move back in the tool. Push back down. Handle back in the top, and Allen key into there. Good spot to clean up my mess, and that's what we should be ending up with. As you can see, swage down there, and the texture mark is right there, so we know that's all the way in. So that's a good swage. Yeah, you can do it yourself. That's all for now.